In the name of God, hello guys, how you doing? This is Musa Persian, born in Dubai and living in Dubai. My age is 32, and so tonight I wanna unbox. As you see, this one. This is my phone. This is my favorite phone, LG V20. Just for your information. So I wanna unbox this one. As you see, the Panasonic. This is the latest model, 2017. As you see, it's ES. The model number is ES. It's not clear. Yeah, I think ES-LV9N. This is the latest model. Okay, it's 5 blade and it's what they call flexible. The head is flexible, and as you see, it's Arabic version. It's mentioned in Arabic also. Everything is mentioned here as our best shaving technology and performance. My English is not so much good, and let's see, have a look. And so this is the top of the box. I think you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is the model number, and let's see the all sides. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. You can read it also. 1 hour charging, 5 minute quick charge, and the 45 minute shaving. Wow, 5 minute quick charge. Oh my God, what the hell? So much nice, really. And this is the all voltage, US and Europe. 5 blades, very nice. And you can travel locket and travel case, and you have the battery, very good battery, and you have the special shaver cleaner. Yeah, you have everything. And this is the barcode. Yes, you can scan it everywhere. This is the latest model. Okay, let's go to the other side here. This side. This is the model number. You have everything in Arabic because I live in United Arab Emirates, as I told you, Dubai, and that's why I bought it from here. And also I sell this one. I will tell you later about the price. If anybody wants to buy it, I sell it less than Amazon.com and all Amazon worldwide, Europe and everywhere. I sell it less than that. Okay, as you see here, and this all details, you can read it, I think. Yes. Okay, let's go and have a look at. Okay, let's go and have a look at the button. This is the rear, the button. This is the model number and everything. This is, as you know, you can Google it and search it. This is the latest model. Okay, let's go here and have a look a little bit. Wet and dry. This is the shaver, and this all multi-flex 3D head shaving sensor. A smooth slider. You can use it for your body, for your hair, for the haircut, and for the barber, for ladies, for women. But it's best for the men. But anybody can use it, And it's very good for barber because I'm not the professional barber, but I'm the beginner. As you see, for close shave, you have everything here. It's really unbelievable, this one. Okay, see, the most important thing here is here. What they said here, may vary equal product design. Okay, see here, the Panasonic Corporation. And as you read here, the Osaka, Japan. See the made in Japan, you see? This is the most important. Made in Japan. This is the pure from the Japan, made in Japan. And it's very, I think you have 1 year or 2 years warranty. So as you see, I don't want it to be very long, and this is the item that I bought it. I will tell you later about the price. Let's unbox it a little bit, very fast. Let's open it here. I'm using one hand, my mobile, and other hand to unbox it. Let's little bit. Yes, we done it. As you see, this is the Asia model. You see here, the Asian model. Okay. Let's open it for the first time. The box is not sealed, always, but this is, I bought it from the authorized dealer. So you have everything here. Let's unbox it real quick. Let's see what's inside. I think I must use my two hand. Maybe I cannot. Yes, I'm now doing it. I'm just opening the case. I don't know how to do it. Yeah. So this is for the first time. It's very expensive, this one. I will tell you later about the price. I cannot use my, okay. I did it. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's keep it away. As you saw, just keep it here. So let's go to Let's keep it this one away also. Let's go to this one, the manual, the model number, and English, only English version, printed in Japan, as you see, guys. Just see it, this is printed in Japan, so it's made in Japan also. And you have the Arabic version, the Persian version. This is Persian, it's my language, Persian, the first one. The second one is Arabic. This is the model number, household, and this is everything. This is the manual. Let's keep it away. And this is something, model number, some Japanese special shaving cleaner and charging system. Let's keep it away. And this is the for the cleaning. Yeah, this is a special item, special clothes. This one also is made in Japan. You see, fabric Japan. Everything is made in Japan. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Made in Japan. You can see it. Oh, everything. I don't have anything to hide it for you. Okay, let's keep it away. Let's go inside. What is this? And this is, I don't know, some lotion, and this is also made in Japan. Yeah, this one is also made in Japan, I think, but this one is for, I don't know what they call it in English. You know, this for the blade, to make it a little bit smoother. Yeah. Okay, let's keep it away. It's not important. It will take too much time. So this is the charging cord. It's very long. I think it's 3 meters, more than 3 meters. Yes, you can Google it. It's more than 3 meters. And let's go inside. This is the charging cord. The adapter. I mean the adapter. Yes, it's the Europe version, UK. It's the UK version, like this. It's not the US. You can change this one. And it's very. I think it's 3 meters. The cord is 3 meters. I think, yeah, it's not less than that. Okay, let's go to this one. We'll go to the shaver later. Okay, let's go to this one and see what is inside here. This one is, that's why this model, it has only this, the LS, what is the model number? LV6, it doesn't have this one that I'm showing you now. The LV9, it has. This is the difference between LV6 and LV9. It has this one, the stand for the charging. Guys, you can see everything here. Clean, dry. Yeah, I don't want to open the plastic. Just I want to keep it like this. Okay, I will open it for you, no problem. But how to open it? It's very hard. Yeah, I will keep it like this. I don't want to use this one. You can see here, status, low, clean, dry. I think this is the charger. This is, you cannot use the water for this one. This is the Panasonic, and I think we can read this one. It's made in Japan. No, it's made in China. This is model number of this. It's called self-cleaning recharger. Yeah, guys, you see, I think you can read it. Okay, it's not that much important. So that's why this is very heavy. This one, it has backside, it has everything, and this two side, it has something to push it. I don't know what is this really. The barbers, some professional guys, they know, but I don't know. So okay, let's see it for the last time. So this is how it looks like from the far. Okay, let's put it away. This one, I think, yeah, you can use this one. Okay, let's put it away, and let's go to for the most important thing. I mean the shaver. So as you saw, it's brand new, and it's not heavy really. This is what it's not heavy. It's around 500 grams maybe. Same as the mobile phone. Same as this, my phone, LG V20 from the US. I love this phone. I have a lot of this phone because this is the removable battery. So let's open this one. Wow, it's amazing. The carry case is very. We found something here. This one. I don't know. This is for the brush for the cleaning. It's very nice also. It's not made in Japan, but it's nice. Quite nice. So we don't have anything else here in the box. We don't have anything. Nothing. So let's keep it away. This is everything, and let's go for this one. It's very nice, as I told you. Let's open it and unbox it and open what they call the case. This one is pure. I think it's leather. It's a nice case. Let's go inside and see wow, my God. My goodness, you see guys, unbelievable really. Let's keep it away, this one. Let's see it for the first time in my life. Let's open it and see how it looks like. Guys, I opened it for the first time. It's very expensive item. I think I broke something, you know. I don't know what happened. Just because I'm using one of my hand. No, I think everything is fine now. Okay, guys. As you see, this is for the first time. I'm showing this one to you. Panasonic wet and dry. And this is the flexible head. It's 3D flexible, as you see. I think you see it, you can feel it. This is the flexible head. I think it's 5 blade. 1, 2, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has one in the middle, maybe. It's 5 blade. And it has the trimmer also in the back side. Free lock. You can lock it, and this one is the wall charger. I mean for the charger, that one. So you got everything here. You got shaver, model number. I think you can see it. Model number. Yeah. Let me just fix it. Okay, you have the model number. You have 3.6, and it's wet and dry. You have charge time 1 hour. Panasonic Corporation, made in Japan, as you see. This is the model number, the latest model. It's LV9. Just don't buy LV6. This is much better. It has everything. So guys, as you see, it's not heavy. You see, I'm vibrating it. Just moving it. This looks like this. I just opened it. Let's see it again. Let's remove the cover. Let's just a minute, little bit. Let me use my 2 hand. Okay, I just removed it. I just put it. So this one is how it looks like. Let's press this button, the power button. I think it has some power. It has some power inside it. Let's press it. As you see, minimum use time. Everything is mentioned here. It's working now. This is my first time. I don't know what it's saying. It has a screen. It has very nice screen. And this is the charging, where you can charge it. So this is how it looks like, and it's very smooth. As I'm touching it, it's very smooth and it's very soft. It's very nice, really. So this is how it looks like. I think you can see everything now clearly. I don't want to use I will use for my face later. So let's close it a little bit. Something is saying here 0%. It's saying minimum use is 50 minutes. I don't know what's mean this one, really. Okay, so it's finished, and see the back side, lock it, and I don't know how you can open this one. I don't know how to open the trimmer. I don't know really. I must see it later, because I don't know how to do it. This is my first time I'm buying it. You press something and the trimmer will come up. It's very flexible, as you see. It's 3D flexible. But how you open the trimmer, I don't know really. Let's open it again and let's see how you open the trimmer. I really don't know how to do it. I will use the manual, the user guide, what they call. But this one, you can open it like this maybe. But I will this is the trimmer. It will open like this. But I don't know how to hold it. I don't want to damage it. Okay, let's close it. Oh, the battery is finished. I think it says just closed by itself. So guys, as you see, this is the latest model number. I showed you everything here. Okay, let's keep it away. Okay guys, now let's talk about the price. It's 15 minutes. I just wasted your time. Okay, let's keep it here and let's talk about the price. So guys, the price of this item, of this shaver, is 369 US dollar. The price is 369 US dollar. If you don't believe it, I will just show you with my phone. In my phone. Okay, let's go to the Google Chrome. Yeah, I have it here in front of me. As you see it. You see, guys, this is the Amazon.com. See the price. Panasonic, you saw the model number. Okay, let me keep it here. Okay, guys, see the model number. This is the shaver, 13 user, and this is the price, the updated price, 369 US dollar. Okay, and that's it. You can see the shipping, only 3 left in the stock, order soon, and this is all everything. So as you can see, guys, it's a nice item, but what I wanted to tell you, this is the price, but I sell this one for 300 US dollar. I mean 299. Anyone interested, he can just call me or WhatsApp me. He can keep in touch with me or with WhatsApp or with the Viber Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger or the Viber or my Instagram. My Instagram ID is MOOSA36. MOOSA36. This is my Instagram ID, and I will write my WhatsApp number in the comment, in the details section, and you can contact me if you want to buy it for 299 US dollar. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. And so that's it. Okay, guys, that's it. Everything, I think I showed you everything, and see you later. Okay, bye bye.